everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. I can't resist, I gotta go ride today. It's a beautiful day. It's about 61, I think. Wind's a little cool. Hardest part's gonna be getting out of my driveway, because if you look, we still have snow on the ground. And so the snow's melting on the driveway and it's making it a really messy mess. So I'm gonna go up and put my riding clothes on, and I am gonna go for my ride today. And this time I'm gonna take my good battery. If you remember what happened last time, I ended up walking. That wasn't fun. So we're gonna go up and get my riding stuff on, and I'm gonna go for a ride. Of course, you add 6,250 miles onto that. 6,250, I think it was when it turned over. But I'm all dressed up, warm enough. I think I'll be warm enough. And we're gonna go see how it is. Alrighty. The thing in the car said 61. I don't think it's 61. There's about 15-mile-an-hour wind, so probably 55 or something, actually. And that can be cold when you're out there, so let's go see how it is. Well, I made it out the driveway, so that's the hard part. The rest of the road looks nice, so this should be a nice ride. Real windy out here. I'm glad I'm hitting the wind right away, so I know what I'm dealing with. There's nothing worse than riding with the wind, thinking, oh, it's beautiful out. Then you turn around and go the other way and realize that you've been riding with the wind the whole time. And then you have to fight the wind all the way back. So I'd rather get hit with it right away, so I know what I'm dealing with. But the roads look nice. Like I said, my driveway is the hardest part to get out of. Well, I'm stopping. I'm going to put my little helmet hat on. That wind is brutal. About 15 miles an hour. And boy, it's cold on my ears. I'm going to go ahead and put this on, and maybe I'll feel better. There we go. Maybe that'll feel better. You know, these helmets got all these holes in them. They're not really made for winter riding. But got my pogies on here, my handlebar mitts, and my hands are warm, so that's good. That's how I like these. I can ride down to about 5 degrees with these without any gloves or anything, so it really take the wind off your hands and makes it really nice. Well, I'm gonna continue on here. Well, I think I'm gonna do the same route I did the other day when I ran out of battery. We'll see how this eBay battery holds up. I think it's charged all the way. I hope it is. Otherwise, I might be walking again. Hopefully. The wind's blowing a lot harder this time. Right straight back at me. So hopefully, on the way back, I'll have the wind in my back. So hopefully that will help. I hope. Otherwise, I'll be walking again. And I don't want to walk. Alright. I made the turn. A little bit easier riding now. The wind's not directly at my back, but it's not directly coming at me either. So maybe I can make this. We'll see. Well, I stopped and took my hat off because I was getting hot. So, I got about 2 miles left, showing 3 bars, so should make it. Well, here's where I ran out the last time, and I'm showing 1 bar while I'm riding up this hill here, but if I don't pedal, looks like there's probably 2 bars, maybe 3, so should make it. I noticed that these things are more accurate with the newer battery.
It is in the afternoon, about 55 degrees. We have some snow still on the road, and kind of windy and cold. And Papa Blue Shirt decided to go out for a bike ride. And if I tracked him right, I think he went about 14 miles. And here he comes. Okay, and we still have snow on the ground a little bit here and there where the sun hasn't been shining. And this is what it looks like on the side roads. Some places are covered with snow and ice. So he made it.
12.1 miles. 3 bars. Looks like this battery held up a lot better than the other one. Still have 3 bars into that wind like I was. Whew. But now I'll go take off my muddy clothes. I did get a little bit muddy coming down the driveway. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching, everyone. And yep, this eBay battery I think is gonna be all right. If you wanna get a nice e-bike, got almost 6,500 miles on this thing, and it makes you feel like a kid again. Alrighty, there's a link down below. Thanks for watching.
All right, we'll get you on our next video. Bye.